Hey there, welcome to the LALA application form instruction video. We're so excited that you're considering applying to one of our camps here at LALA. My name is Thaisa Grossman from Brazil, and I work with the admission department as the admission manager. Today, I will help you better understand how to apply to LALA this season. Join me. To start your application, go to the Open Apply landing page. The step 1, click the form in the language in which you want to apply by selecting Submit Application. So within your left side of the screen, you would see that you can choose which language you will be able to fill out the 3 applications forms. So you have Portuguese, English, and Spanish. I will be selecting English for today. Remember to select the language that you speak comfortably so you can enjoy the camp. The language will be the only one you will fill out the application form and attend the camps. Start your application by reading the VCamp information where you will find a welcome message from our team, logistical details for your camp, and below you have to select the VCamp you want to attend and also fill in the basic and general information such as name, address, date of birth, and etc. Important notice on relationship to you. You will find red notice to not make any changes. Leave it the way it is, please. Fill out the first page of the application form, very important. Create your account by entering your password. This will ensure that you can log into the system to edit your application form and save the progress of your application form from one page to another, allowing you to work on your application on your own time. Create a password and hit Save and Next at the bottom of the page to create your account. So every single time, to ensure that you're saving, please always remind yourself to click Save and Next. Once you create your account, check your email to verify your email by clicking on the link you will receive. Log in into the second time to resume the form from where you last left it, and you can do it by accessing this link, lala.openapply.com/ using your email and password to access your account. This form here has 4 main sections. So as it shows here on the top bottom, 4 main sections for you to finalize all your application. And to be sure to save and to hit every single time you log into your save your progress. Filling out the form can take anywhere from a few hours to a day, depending on your availability. So please plan accordingly. Make sure you hit submit on page 4. So once you get here, please ensure that you hit all the way to down and you're clicking on save and next. So you can ensure that all your application will be as soon as possible finalizing and fully. The deadlines for you to finalize all of the applications are February 8th to in-person camps and February 20th to virtual camps. Don't leave it to the last minute. Once you submit the form, so once you get to the 5th page where you will be able to finalize your application, please, when you see this button here, you will be saying submit. So log back, once you finalize and you submit the form, log back into the portal, go to the left side of your screen under student information. So here you will be able to see a checklist and fill out the financial form. All candidates must fill out the financial form before the 8th of February and the 20th of February, whether they need financial assistance or not. Keep in mind that if you do not fill out the financial form by the deadlines, your application won't be reviewed. And we encourage you to do so as soon as possible. Wait for an email from the admission team to hear about the next steps by late February. We will offer as well office hours to support you during your application process. If you need help, remember to keep an eye on our social media to see different supporting systems, such as the office hours we offer, such as webinars, and such as other spaces that we can create to be there and support you to filling out the application. If you want more information about the VCamps at LALA, visit our website page. Or you can also check our Instagram or our TikTok or our Twitter account. And we cannot wait for welcome you into our community. Thank you very much, and we wish you a lovely application season.